Okay, so I've not seen you for a week, have I? Because I've been away.
No, it's been a couple of weeks.
Can you remember what happened at the start of your last driving lesson?
I got caught by the blind spots. I almost pulled out right in front of someone.
Now, if anyone's not sure exactly where it is, there's going to be a quick video at the top at this point pointing to the blind spot on your left, which is the pillar.
Yep.
On both sides. They are big blind spots. And what makes it harder is at the end of this road here, you've always got a parked car, haven't you? So as you go round it and come back to your left, the angle's a bit more tighter.
And then you don't get to see it.
Yeah.
You do what I did.
You do exactly what you did, which is you looked across, but the pillar's blocking what you can see. So what should you be doing?
Stopping completely, double checking, looking round the blind spot.
Do you reckon you never do it again?
Never again.
Never again.
Never again.
That's the thing of driving lessons. You can drive really well and do junctions fantastic, and all of a sudden something just catches you out.
And it's a silly little mistake.
And it could happen on the test, but it's better happening now or last time.
Oh yeah.
Because it's probably never happen again for you.
No.
Because whenever you come to a junction,
stop checking now.
yeah, you'll be definitely a bit more careful. And I mean, Millie's a good driver. You know, you've seen the videos that she's been put out last few times. If you haven't, by the way, I'll put a link at the top.
Check out my playlist.
Yes.
So I have one of those now.
Got a place. Oh, the last video actually, the one where where you're doing the narrow roads. If people struggle on narrow roads, there's a good video to come out this week. That's at the top of the also. So we're going to get going then. We've got the junction at the bottom of the road. We're going to turn right again.
Okay.
We're not going to make that same mistake, are we? We're going to be a bit more cautious. And when we get to Bletchley, what we're going to do?
It'll either be narrow roads or the B&Q roundabout. It'll be one of those two.
Which one do you want to do?
Either or, I don't really mind.
B&Q it is then.
Okay.
We're not going to record it, by the way. But if you watch recording, there's a video at the top again. I'm promoting your videos,
So much for promotion, I love it.
So let's get driving when you're ready. And we're going to turn right at the end. And obviously you've got the two cars. You've got the white one and another white van behind it, right on the corner, making it hard. And this is a typical kind of junction in the busy area.
Yeah.
So you've got to be looking, haven't you? Just going to look a little bit. Ooh, it's a bit stiff actually. So when you're ready then.
I haven't driven in a while, to be honest.
Oh right, no excuses then.
It's been some time.
There's lots of good comments about your video, by the way, of people encouraging you.
People have been very nice.
Yeah. So it's a right turn at the end of the road.
Right, what are we not going to do? Go in front of someone.
And that's it. Yeah, because you can see the car here, the van. So as you come back to your left, you're at a funny angle, aren't you? So that pillar's
Out.
yeah.
Right, get that back on. And what is there? Nothing.
That's it. But you checked better this time.
Yeah.
You checked. And that's the most important bit. So if anyone's watched this and they're thinking, I'll never make that mistake,
You will not.
trust me, if you're not cautious, it'll happen. Safe driving, everybody.
Safe driving.
See you on the next video.
I'll say goodbye.